Hi guys, today is 27th December 2019 and welcome to my trading focus today. So I hope everyone has a great celebration with Christmas. So we are going to talk about a currency pair for today. So let's kick off. Well, today's focus will be on the euro against US dollar. So let's have a quick understanding of what's going on right now. Now, the market is most likely to range, especially for the major pairs, as it swims through the holiday season until the next FOMC meeting, which is next Saturday. So, euro dollar has been trading within an ascending triangle, which I'll show later, and which has started since early October this year. Now, as of current, the price has recovered towards the 50% of the previous bearish wave, which resulted from a fake break of the top of a 18-month falling channel around the 1.1180. Well, given that right now it's a ranging market, price is recovering upwards, so we are intending to sell at the range high. The trading plan is simply that we are going to look to sell at the price range of 1.1127 to 1.1114. Stop loss just above the 1.1168. Targeting at 1.1103, 1.1070, and 1.1050. Alright, so let's go to the charts right now. Alright, so this is the euro against the US dollar. I'm going to move to the day charts. Alright, so in the day charts, you can see that I'm going to plot to you the 18-month falling channel. Right, I believe that most of you have seen it for many times. But just go and plot it out so that show it to you clearly what's happening. So this is the channel and another channel within the channel itself. Alright, so this is the fake break. On the 13th of December, there's a fake break at the top of the 18-month falling channel, and within the day it came back all the way down, and for the next 2 days it tried to climb but still get resisted, and then it started to fall. So the ascending triangle that I was talking about is right here. All right, the high was created on the 18th of October, so we can see the price has been resisted at this level, and of course with a trend line we can see the ascending triangle right away. Alright, so what's happening as of current is that I believe that euro dollar will still range, until next Saturday, or even later after the FOMC meeting. So since it's going to be a range, then I'm definitely looking to sell at high and buy at the low. So right now the price is recovering upwards, towards this zone. If you just look at the day charts, okay, we can see that previously this was the break somewhere at this level. Price got supported right here, and then eventually the price filled the bull field, and the bear came all the way down, and right now it's recovering. So this level itself is a supply zone. All right, it's already a good supply zone for us to look to sell again at the range high. And of course, I was also looking at the top of the 18-month channel, which is right here. So if we look at it, the best price is probably at about 1.1141. So which is right, the price range is from 1.1127 to 1.1144. Right, it's actually within this range, this supply zone itself. So if we go to the 4-hourly charts, all right, actually you can see some kind of a harmonic pattern that's forming right here. Doesn't matter what kind of harmonic pattern it is, but definitely I guess if we want to look at it this way, then this zone itself will be the best. So what you can do is that you can either set sell limits within the zone right here, maybe a couple of it, one's right here, the other one's right here, or you can just wait for the price to reach this zone and try to see if there's a stoppage of the bulls, or is there any kind of reversal signal. Then you can try to sell right here. Stop loss, somewhere at 1.1164, 68 and above. I think that's pretty much enough if this is the right area for us to sell. All right, and of course if it shoot upwards, then it's gonna be a real break. It's probably going to be a real break of the top of the 18-month channel. Then this is a failed trade. Okay, so but if we want to sell at the range high, we think this is right, then this is the level that we're going to look at. And as for the targets, all right, if we look at the 4-day charts, then definitely this is one important zone to look out for. Price came down. This is the first level. Second level is right here, right, 1.1070 around this area, and last but not least, at the bottom of the ascending triangle, 1.1050 area. This will be the last target. So yeah, and just want to plot a Fibonacci retracement as well. All right, price has recovered more than 38.2%, heading towards 50%, and then the 61.8%. So this is the best region I'm looking at to sell the euro against US dollar. So it could be today. If it's not going to happen today, but at least it still get resisted within this zone, then we can look to sell again on the following week. Alright, so that's all for today. Hope everyone of you have enjoyed your holiday so far, and it's going to be New Year soon, so wish everyone of you a happy New Year 2020 in advance. Right, so I will see you again.